Wake up! It's time for school! Wake up! It's time for school! Did you sleep well? Did you sleep well? I'll make some coffee. I'll make some coffee. The toast is ready. The toast is ready. Can you set the table? Can you set the table? Don't forget your lunch. Don't forget your lunch. She's lying on a pile of clothes. She's lying on a pile of clothes. He really loves eating steak. He really loves eating steak. He's making a fruit smoothie. He's making a fruit smoothie. I'm handing out free food. I'm handing out free food. The driver is dropping off food. The driver is dropping off food. We don't eat meat. We don't eat meat. Let's split this burger.
Let's split this burger.
Dad is grilling some BBQ.
Dad is grilling some BBQ.
He's eating a whole pizza by himself.
He's eating a whole pizza by himself.
He donates a box of food.
He donates a box of food.
I'm looking for my shoes under the bed.
I'm looking for my shoes under the bed.
She eats way too much fast food.
She eats way too much fast food.
He keeps complaining about the food.
He keeps complaining about the food.
The couple is all over each other.
The couple is all over each other.
I need to buy some veggies.
I need to buy some veggies.
Rinse the fruit before eating.
Rinse the fruit before eating.
I need to brush my teeth.
I need to brush my teeth.
He popped open a beer with his teeth.
He popped open a beer with his teeth.
He's choking on his food.
He's choking on his food.
I'm doing my makeup with my mom.
I'm doing my makeup with my mom.
She got pregnant as a teenager.
She got pregnant as a teenager.
Our Wi-Fi keeps lagging. Our Wi-Fi keeps lagging. I need coffee to stay awake. I need coffee to stay awake. My feet are killing me from these heels. My feet are killing me from these heels. He's running a fever. He's running a fever. She's got stretch marks. She's got stretch marks. He's picking a color for his veneers. He's picking a color for his veneers. The kid's got head lice. The kid's got head lice. My hair is full of static. My hair is full of static. I'm painting the walls. I'm painting the walls. The kids are fighting over a toy. The kids are fighting over a toy. This winter is freezing.
This winter is freezing.
She dyed her hair pink.
She dyed her hair pink.
She's chilling in the bathtub.
She's chilling in the bathtub.
She's sending money on her phone.
She's sending money on her phone.
The washing machine broke again.
The washing machine broke again.
She's putting on mascara.
She's putting on mascara.
The alarm is so loud.
The alarm is so loud.
Take your glasses off.
Take your glasses off.
Open the curtains, please.
Open the curtains, please.
They are arguing out of the window.
They are arguing out of the window.
I unlocked the room with a key.
I unlocked the room with a key.
She's unloading the dishwasher.
She's unloading the dishwasher.
I've got a bad toothache.
I've got a bad toothache.
This grocery receipt is insane. This grocery receipt is insane. She's unpacking a gift bag. She's unpacking a gift bag. The kid ran to her grandpa. The kid ran to her grandpa. Who's washing the dishes? Who's washing the dishes? She's washing her face. She's washing her face. She is bathing her newborn. She is bathing her newborn. She is comforting a sad child. She is comforting a sad child. I caught the bouquet at the wedding. I caught the bouquet at the wedding. She's throwing up in the toilet. She's throwing up in the toilet. She's making the bed. She's making the bed. I'm cleaning up the apartment. I'm cleaning up the apartment. He's terrified of shots. He's terrified of shots. Mom's straightening my hair. Mom's straightening my hair. I don't like doing housework. I don't like doing housework. I'm wiping the dust off my plants. I'm wiping the dust off my plants. I'm steaming this shirt. I'm steaming this shirt. I already have a passport. I already have a passport. I'm sorting the recycling. I'm sorting the recycling. He's pranking his coworker. He's pranking his coworker. I'm watering the garden. I'm watering the garden. Time's almost up. Time's almost up. You've gotta finish all this today. You've gotta finish all this today. I'm watering the cabbage. I'm watering the cabbage. Don't forget to call me. Don't forget to call me. She's heartbroken after her husband passed away. She's heartbroken after her husband passed away. I'm pouring water into a glass. I'm pouring water into a glass. She got kidnapped. She got kidnapped. He's being lazy at home. He's being lazy at home. I got some bruises from falling. I got some bruises from falling. He is a strict judge. He is a strict judge. She's having a nosebleed. She's having a nosebleed. She's a flight attendant. She's a flight attendant. She's investing in crypto. She's investing in crypto. My mind's all over the place. My mind's all over the place. Check out my muscles. Check out my muscles. Oh my God, I'm pregnant? Oh my God, I'm pregnant? He got electrocuted. He got electrocuted. I'm putting on face cream. I'm putting on face cream. I'm done with work. I'm done with work. Keep it secret, okay? Keep it secret, okay? Put on gloves before you clean. Put on gloves before you clean. She's wearing a headband. She's wearing a headband. He's putting on perfume. He's putting on perfume. I'm from the UK. I'm from the UK. I finally bought a house. I finally bought a house. My neck hurts. My neck hurts. She's doing hypnosis. She's doing hypnosis. She's getting her nails done. She's getting her nails done. Do you like green apples or red ones? Do you like green apples or red ones? I cut my own hair. I cut my own hair.